was nice and steamy. Line lock burnout mode on the Mustang is awesome. Hopefully that looked good. Out here filming by myself in the middle of nowhere. What is up, YouTube? Kill Cam back with the crowd hitter, the Mustang 2016 manual GT 5.0 with the Coyote. We have the Rohana RF2s looking filthy. I've been absolutely loving this car. We have had it ceramic coated lately, paint corrected, ceramic coated. Huge shout out to Palmetto Shine Shop up here in Columbia, South Carolina. They did a great job. I'm put their link down in the bottom. This video is not sponsored by them, but they just did an amazing job. 20 hours work put into this with two guys. They covered the faces for me too on the Rohanas. This thing just looks mean. The black badges, I don't know if you guys have seen that, just really helps that look. We have the carbon fiber steering wheel there with the red stripe up top. I know you guys have seen that before, with the red shift knob just really blending in with this nice leather. We really just need those calipers painted black. We have the stock Brembos, they're just unpainted, so with that it would just look really clean. Black badge in the back, FSU plate, go Knowles. But this thing just looks absolutely rude. The paint correction was a must. Just wanted to update you guys. I had the exhaust clip for you. The Burnout, of course. The Nittos have been phenomenal. Really affordable tire, best bang for your buck. We are running the 305s in the rear and the 275s up front. This thing runs phenomenal. I've put some miles on this car. I think we're close to 33 or 34,000. I believe I've got it around 22, so a little over 10,000 miles. This thing has been phenomenal, no problem so far. Absolutely love this thing. Played with a Challenger the other day. That was a good time, 392. I'm not gonna say too much about that, but it was a good time on my way back home from work. Coilovers will be coming soon. Please leave down in the comment section what coilovers you want me to run. Really in the market, I would love to lower it all the way down to that wheel gap there. I hate how it kind of looks like a monster truck. So if we drop that down a little bit there, I still want it to be functional. I'm not gonna necessarily track this car, but I still want to daily it. And if I want to send it in the corners, I want it to be able to handle like a champ. So which coilovers do you recommend? Calipers need to be painted. Love the rims, love the tires. The paint correction is what this black car needed. I had no clue that if you take it through an automatic car wash, just being honest here, how bad it was for your paint. Now knowing this, it will never be automatic car washed again, hands-on only. If anybody's in that Columbia, South Carolina area and you ever want to ride around, you have a nice car, you want to go have some fun, we'll go hit these back roads, just have a good time. I would love that. Leave it down in the comments. KillCamR6 on Instagram, KillCam on Facebook. Send me a message. We can do a photo shoot, whatever you prefer. I'm just down to make some friends. Let's go have a good time. Just love this car. Just wanted to update you guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down which coilovers, what else you want me to do to this car. Y'all take it easy. KillCam out.